What you doing, Tom?
I got a speed skate. I got my aerodynamic suit. You ready?
I'm ready. Whenever you're ready.
Go get some runway skating.
I'm coming for your interview, Tom. How was that?
It was good. I think I played really nicely.
Do you think you won?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Who's your competitor?
All of them.
All of them?
But they're no match for me. I've been training for 4 years for the Peoria Olympics, and I think I got the speed skating record.
Good job. High five.
Thanks.